Hello, I'm Shajal Ahmed from Ahmed IT School. Today I will show how we'll install Windows Server 2012 in VMware. Firstly, I want to say if we may face an issue when will try to Windows or any other software to install in VMware. Uh, Now I will show how we have overcome that issue. Step by step, I will show the process and how we have overcome or resolved the issue that we face to install a Windows Server 2012 in VMware. Already, I have installed the VMware Workstation 14 player. It is free version and will use it non-commercial use only, so there is no issue about license key. There is a button and create a new virtual machine. We'll click on this. uh, if you see here that there is a ISO image, disk image file for which is called ISO file for install the Windows Server 2012. But if you don't know about this, so what issue you may face, I will show that if you don't try in correct way, so you may face this issue. Suppose you don't have the ISO file, so you will try by this way. There is a button, I will install the operating system later. The virtual machine will created with a blank hard disk. I will click on this next. Though we will install the Microsoft Windows related uh, application, so we will click on this Microsoft Windows. If you want to install Linux, there is lots of version about Linux: Debian, Oracle Linux, Red Hat Linux Enterprise, SUSE Linux, and other Linux, Ubuntu. So our vision is to install Microsoft Windows Server 2012. So we'll select Windows Server 2012. Then we'll push the next button. In the meantime, we'll create our a folder named, I'll put the name virtual. Just we'll browse the directory. Then we'll click on the next. Here we'll assign the hard disk size for the virtual Windows Server. If you want to customize the hardware, then we can select from here. We have select the memory size. It will be 2 GB, processor 1. We can select from here. If you want to modify a new CD DVD, we can select from here. We can change the network connection, sound card, printer, display. Then we can proceed for next. Finish. We'll click on the finish button now. Now we will click on the play virtual machine. If you see that Windows is trying to install from internet or network drive or any other source is trying to search, but uh, let's see what happen. No boot file name receipt. He is not finding any kind of boot file to install the Windows server. So we'll show now how you will resolve the issue if you face this kind of issue for install the Windows Server 2012 in the VMWARE. Our vision is how we'll resolve this and will successfully install the Windows Server 2012. Let's see what we'll do. Step by step you can follow us. Now I will disconnect from here. We'll click on the edit option. Simply we will browse the our ISO file where the ISO file is already there, disk image file. We'll connect or browse the location and we'll click on the icon. OK. Now let's see what happen. Play virtual machine. We'll click on this. Ah, same issue is happening again. Click on the virtual machine and again will notice will simply delete from disk. We'll clear our folder which we have already created, but as we have deleted the virtual Windows, so it has already deleted the directory. We'll follow the process again, same process. Create a new virtual machine and Microsoft Windows, already Windows Server 2000 is selected. We'll change the directory. Next, memory disk size will be same 60 GB. Customize hardware and select the ISO file. Close, finish. I'll click on the play virtual machine. Already disk file has found the VMware and boot has already successful. and now we'll install our desired windows. We'll install the Windows Server 2012 now. Same process, we always install Windows Server in our PC without VMware. We'll select the second option. Now install has been started successfully. Wait a bit. Hope our let we see how the installation will be completed. Just a wait bit. Installation almost finishing. We click on restart now button. We'll set now a password for user administrator. In the meantime, how you'll set up the ISO file, you can see Microsoft .com evaluation center, and you can install from here Windows Server or Hyper-V server ISO file from here. Just wait a bit. Hope our installation will be finished soon. Wow, our Windows Server is already installed successfully. Already netted it with my PC. So you guys already seen that how we have installed Windows Server 2012. Step by step we will show the every by step. Next step by step we will show how you will install application and other software in this virtual server. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.